malaria eyekoba ramisi
tiweba Christmas nebwate eyambula
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Ekeonga chitariki ya 25 na ibiro mutenyino Ikomi nomo mwaka wa 2024 chinga kichingia kimekro charagire Chinsa Ikomi ne yanire na ende nkomanye Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo bwenge unatokira se Ekeonga gosea semesa ya mangana maye kanansoike tokomanye nchense ya kirbo kura sense memenyeri go tukuchukwatrana nere Wilson makuri na sogo chakera kura sense mo ye factory ya kebirwa bwasabali mikuru sense meyo banyarire ko abakwe murunganiriye gutumeki obebwe chibese ase factory ya kebirigo na se chinga keche cyo accountant nambiga bateneri bande baberebeke wande kigiye chae banya ko bagutenenirwa emeremo yabo wikira obotuki bwakorirwe ore mutumeki obebwe ni bwase factory
Waligaria ya sekonda
abantu bari bakora kumanti manager unity production nini arrest ingwanja bale batokonya bale myabatoko etamugondo kina motori bwechai ingwanja bale batokonya gusaba mu wanja mutui ingwanja itukoninde kabiriga bayomo
there are material projects are being developed in the factory. The factory is extension now under 10. Why should there be extensions of the factory whereby farmers are not getting even a single thing? Ikaranza ni bane ya ino wakanire aro ibane ya ino ibane ya ino bali baminto ikaranza
soko tena bagende oyo no mu accountant gochakera mande ite kutoka ofisi iri agotoka ka inka eoda tokorutute agotoka nkabuoye forensic audit yekorwe ke como clear agende transfer ke como clear etamo create
kura sense mende bano nigo abara ikurase county ya Nyamira baboli gukwana neryo gelimo ariko bekiraniria magenderero abali babachorete bose ko bekase cyabisi cyabo mwaka bw'ekibu na murongebere naibere onabwo mna babalirete chira chinga kicheche campaign cyabo okwana samatanga yamwe meti nsemo cyanyaramba Omo ojumbe bwe bunge ya North Mugirango musike Josh Nyamoko oniga sogete na kugikiria gati ya bara yabo bachete mamincha nokugania go kubekwa ku university me county ya Nyamira nokwa na sehemu nyigo ibwa matanga bwa sabara ya bange banyarete ko bagwikirana nigo bange babanyare ko bakumubule mo governor bwe county ya Nyamira musike Amos Nyaribo ko bakolera abananchi amagendera nabo igo chinga kichecho abayiboli bakanyara ko bagosege to banyare ko barenda abana babo chinga kibarase chirusa nabo gwetanga kurwase chisegi chegenga
ukwana somo yigoyo mu wa matanga sinseme chiga cha Nyarambe meye bunge ye igaya burabo mu bunge kurase bunge ya North Mugirango musike Josh Nyamoko nigo hagendere ko bagakomuchiga cyabarai abuho bayikia ebina sekegambiro kwa mirelia okoreswa ku university ime ya Kyabonyaru
tuwachorere gutwara kisegi kitokwa meaning at all tuwaichara gorobaya tukarete university ya tutweka mwaka ngarama yange moja tuwabwati tuwachire the president otana goicha iga sito tuombe kiroro tuombe telefono weke university ga wana watu baada bakarwania bagakana ninche ego chako asifu bakabeke bina Nyamira bakabeke bina Kisii bakabeke bina se Nairobi niba watu bangana na kitoro chipati kwa kiroche na kitoro kubeke bisima kubeka machi twaza ko sinyompa chi hostels abana banse kubeka chingeli bomaitene biasara yakore
ukwana bugeho Ekerekio Nyamoko nigaganiri habarai kurasirongorwa gusiku bwaterana ilio gusuguma amagendero bosyo na njira ya moyo kubakonya abananchi
edamwa Nyamira ne yaki papa bona abantu banse kwinyoro ngabo kuseto gokunera kere rameke biasi abata ngoke ngora kera muskonya libonone kama wote watoto wake kama wana ram wana mataka ni mataka liwe so tukato saber na mirei undete yogorwana lubwezi
ningana yairwo koboko amono MCA we ewadi ya township Duke Oyagmasira oyubo igo muganire mu governor wancha emirimo
ama tukaya taraika nande tukubeka nende zilibimo esibona tiworo betaka amanya na wanyana wasacha bantu kuna bambo sibaka bakubu bushizu kukoleka iki ta kuibite bitokyo njoka tena rubu kubulizi miti abantu bamito batekena naka bushiaga ke na itutojo banie hoteli era abana muchione kama nditwako ona itoko matomo tena ngani zikuja kukumechi yabande mwako mitena liko mwako jiwete
ase umuyogo yuboigo nabarai aho kurwase county nigo bagendere ko bakubolia abantu kurwase chiamate kwene kibunangole ndabara abana babo hanne abana kinyaruka na wego nabana bamura kingekechiga bare asumutimoko unenchire ya mubego yo gutanga kisegi cegenga
to basanga twara kibura mu mucinga enda abana bese tunabata ntimwe babamura abamura mabwata yabo abagaka rende abarugo itubare mbakari bokura tirango tosikane asichinga tokea michibura buru kongera bonga ngakita ngawe siasa ine chiko bangaina mandasi tiaba siria baba amalito abana bali abati anakuruchi sukuru igabanga ndo bwategetiro tolinda abana baito nande tusaruko basabe
ginko ripoti rigeta seneke wanchete kya Getembe kuruge gas tinseme chiga chenyaramba imeye wadiga yake abonyerume bunga ya burawe county Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
Memano morikio ito okara sogo twariganirio roboti rwa senchera yobwikirano togotigana na noru ne maiga ya matuko 15 narimo ochaka yuyo kogikiria amangana gender based violence gose chisegi chiegenka oniga babwatani aona bwige byombe byanyare ko bigwesokya nakorwa amagana yabo cha serikali asemerobeli baganite nyare ko bagiye kubekwa egere gukora chisegi chiegenka
violence, physical, intimate partner violence, emotional violence, and worse crimes like femicide. So we would like for this day to be a day where we start seeing commitment in terms of action, in terms of prosecution of perpetrators, and in terms of us seeing accountability in terms of enforcement of laws. We have enough laws in this country. What we need is action.
We saw statistics that were being highlighted by the Deputy Inspector General that 97 women were killed in 90 days. This is too much, too much. And then we have not seen the accountability of even some of these cases from the Kware side. When they told us the perpetrator escaped in the cell, it's a failure of government to protect us women.
Like a woman, I'm so sad. We are experiencing so much. We are so sad and we are so sad. And we are saying no. We are saying no to any sort of violence. Be it gender-based violence, be it what.
20% of the perpetrators of gender-based violence are men. And it is important for us as men to speak up firmly.
Mega yo muraibensi ya Kenya muske William Samuel Ruto gose gutuguterare merobele babu wate gose serikali ya Kenya ya wate na bigone kampani ya Dani ono nigo kegambero kyanyare ko bagiye kurugo chika uchase serikali kurugo site bwe sainire kwene kibuna anekeno muraibensi ya Kenya na tuguterere tare emerobele yo.
And they remain in place regardless of what may have been said by William Ruto in Parliament. You had some discussion about what was actually cancelled. All right? Whatever was cancelled, those things need to be brought before the court. And therefore, we remain seized and want to assure Kenyans that we are seized of this matter. And one of the things that, in fact, we want to do is to do a further affidavit by the petitioner and bring for record purposes and for purposes of taking what in law is called taking judicial notice of the indictment of Andani in the United States of America under the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, so that this matter is also reflected in our domestic situation. So this Andani deal is not just about Kenya, it's the whole world. Because when he was indicted, media everywhere, Al Jazeera, BBC, everybody had Kenya brought on focus that this whole matter had to do with high-level corruption. And we are saying, as you had Councillor Kibe argue,
Mwana Kenya Mosque William Samuel Ruto ritukolia rera somo sangirikano uringiro kwanira mangana a innovation ono niganyare kubaka gotemne serikali nebegete mirubiri isaini eri gukinia echi sector aona yego gukinia uchumi yense ya Kenya.
Innovative interventions on different aspects in health, in agriculture, in matters environment, in matters technology, and they are amazing, to say the least. They are quite amazing. We are gathered here under a theme which summons us to reimagine Africa's future through Kenya's innovation spark and to harness the power of innovation in tackling pressing challenges and unlocking Africa's tremendous potential. This gathering therefore celebrates bold imagination, courage in exploring new paths to solving problems, and disruptive approaches to creating or increasing value for all aspects of what we develop. It is also a catalyst for transformative ideas, a platform for strategic partnerships, and an incubator of groundbreaking solutions that seek to transform Africa's socio-economic challenges into opportunities for inclusive growth in different countries in our continent, starting here in Kenya. I commend the Ministry for Youth Affairs, Creative Economy and Sports, the Kenya National Innovation Agency, and their partners for organizing this exceptional event year after year. Their consistency and determination have established Kenya Innovation Week as a globally recognized platform for collaboration and ambition in just 4 years.
Wikirabu no wikira mwele Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi numerenere aruno toto Ekeonga Chinsa ibere na Ekeonga Chinsa ibi.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Christa Marian Mission Hospital ni hiyo korerera ba mentire obokoreri bwaye na koba ubuyakigima
asa marieta ngoro kwa diuka poko no munyangita